For the best medical and paramedical lectures, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay connected with us.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Myself Pragati has come with another video, and today we learn about very interesting topic is pharyngitis. So let's begin. What is it? Pharyngitis क्या है? Commonly known as a sore throat, pharyngitis is an upper respiratory infection. It's a upper respiratory infection, an infection of the throats. In medical terminology, itis means inflammation, and in this lecture we'll learn about pharynx. So, inflammation of the pharynx is called pharyngitis. इसे हम आम भाषा में गले की सूजन बोलते हैं. So, further moving to definition of the pharyngitis. Inflammation of the pharynx or pharyngeal wall characterized by pain over pharynx. It's called pharyngitis or sore throat. Next is the epidemiology of the pharyngitis, commonly found in younger children. 40 to 80% of pharyngitis infection are caused by virus. 40 to 80% of infection caused by virus pharyngitis more commonly seen rather than bacterial pharyngitis. Can be found worldwide and is most prevalent during the flu and cold season. Worldwide, high level of pharyngitis see in which season? Cold or flu. Next is a classification of the pharyngitis. Two types, chronic pharyngitis and acute pharyngitis. First is a chronic pharyngitis. So, chronic pharyngitis क्या है? See in detail. It is of sudden onset, short duration. It may be purulent or ulcerative. Means acute pharyngitis क्या है? It's a symptomatic. Minor symptoms arise in acute pharyngitis caused by the several different groups of microorganisms. It can be part of a generalized upper respiratory infection. Symptoms found in short period of time in acute pharyngitis. So, it's a acute pharyngitis. नेक्स्ट इज अ क्रॉनिक pharyngitis. क्रॉनिक pharyngitis क्या है और कब होता है? तो देखते हैं. एक्यूट pharyngitis do not treat, then after it convert to chronic pharyngitis. एक्यूट pharyngitis हुआ है उसे हम अर्ली टू अर्ली ट्रीट नहीं करते तो इट कन्वर्टिंग chronic pharyngitis. It's a gradual onset, long duration of symptoms due to persistent inflammation of the pharynx. Chronic pharyngitis is a long period of time symptoms are arise. If often occurs due to infection caused by virus and microorganism. Other is cold air, chemical effect. In chemical effect, alcohol, smoking, and other cause is environmental factor including dust and occupational fumes. All are the cause of chronic pharyngitis. So chronic pharyngitis sometimes do not treat, so they arise many complication. Next is a mode of transmission of pharyngitis. First is a direct contact horizontal transmission through such as sneezing are common mode of transmission. Who person have pharyngitis, either acute or chronic, they cause pharyngitis. Horizontal means droplet transmission, person to person transmission. Direct contact with infected mucus, nasal discharge or saliva. Second sentence, direct contact with throat mucus, nasal discharge or saliva. In a first sentence, contact with person to person, and next second sentence, contact with nasal discharge or saliva. इंक्यूबेशन पीरियड क्या होता है? इंक्यूबेशन पीरियड है 24 to 72 आवर्स. Causes of pharyngitis. Majority of cases are due to an infectious organisms acquired from contact with an infected individual. Infectious cause. Causes divide into two ways. First is infectious cause and non-infectious cause. In an infectious cause, including viral, bacterial and fungal cause. See the infectious cause in a specific viral infectious cause, 40 to 80%. Which are the viral cause? Adenovirus, influenza, Epstein-Barr virus, herpes simplex virus, measles, rhinovirus, coronavirus, RSV virus and HIV virus. All are the viral cause by occur the pharyngitis. Adenovirus. So adenovirus क्या करता है? Lymph nodes enlargement will be there and severe throat pain. Next, influenza, rapid onset of high temperature, headache and sore throat. Epstein-Barr virus cause marked redness and swelling and exudative tonsillitis. Herpes simplex virus cause mouth ulcer. Measles, rhinovirus, coronavirus and RSV virus and HIV, human immunovirus and HIV virus, full form of RSV, respiratory syncytial virus. All are the viral cause occur the pharyngitis. See the picture of pharyngitis. Inflammation of the pharynx or pharyngeal wall, it's called pharyngitis and also called sore throat. All are the picture of pharyngitis. All of picture of pharyngitis. Next is a bacterial cause. First हमने viral cause देखे and next is a bacterial cause. क्या है bacterial cause? देखते हैं. Group A, Streptococcus pneumonia, Haemophilus influenza, Bordetella pertussis, Corynebacterium diphtheria, Archaeobacterium hemolyticum. All are the bacterial cause caused by the pharyngitis, specific bacterial pharyngitis. All are the bacteria cause the bacterial pharyngitis. Next is a Streptococcus pharyngitis और strep throat. स्ट्रेप्टोकोकल बैक्टीरिया की वजह से जो फेरिंजाइटिस होती है उसको हम स्ट्रेप्टोकोकल फेरिंजाइटिस बोलते हैं और स्ट्रेप थ्रोट. ग्रुप ए, बीटा हीमोलाइटिक स्ट्रेप्टोकोकस, मोस्ट कॉमन बैक्टीरियल कॉज. उसमें सिम्टम्स क्या अराइज होते हैं? फीवर, सोर थ्रोट, लार्ज लिम्फ नोड्स आर द सिम्टम्स. एंड मोड्स ऑफ ट्रांसमिशन क्या है? तो क्लोज कॉन्टैक्ट, स्प्रेड बाय क्लोज कॉन्टैक्ट. इट्स ए स्ट्रेप्टोकोकल फेरिंजाइटिस. स्ट्रेप्टोकोकल GAS बैक्टीरिया की वजह से होती है. नेक्स्ट इज अ फंगल कॉज. फर्स्ट हमने वायरल, सेकंड इज अ बैक्टीरियल एंड थर्ड इज अ फंगल कॉज. थर्ड इज अ फंगल कॉज कैंडिडिया albicans. Candida albicans cause the fungal pharyngitis. Further moving to नॉन इन्फेक्टियस कॉज. फर्स्ट हमने वायरल, बैक्टीरियल एंड फंगल जो देखे वो इन्फेक्टियस कॉज है. नेक्स्ट इज अ नॉन इन्फेक्टियस कॉज विच आर इंक्लूडिंग, फर्स्ट इज अ केमिकल इरिटेशन इंक्लूडिंग स्मोकिंग, थर्मल इरिटेशन including electricity, thermal, head and neck neoplasms, allergies, allergic rhinitis, gastroesophageal reflux disease. All are the non-infectious cause. It causes the non-infectious pharyngitis. नेक्स्ट इज द सिम्टम्स ऑफ फेरिंजाइटिस। क्या क्या सिम्टम्स अराइज होते हैं फेरिंजाइटिस में, देखते हैं। फीवर, फीवर तो होगा ही, बिकॉज ऑफ एनी टाइप ऑफ इन्फेक्शन फीवर इज अ मोस्ट सिम्टम्स अराइज। हेडेक, जॉइंट पेन, स्किन रेस्ट, swelling lymph nodes in the neck because of pain in lymph nodes. Hoarseness. Hoarseness means impairment or change of voice, affect the ability of sing or speak. It's a hoarseness. Redness of the eyes, dry cough, runny or stuffy nose. Other symptoms is sore throat, dry or sketchy throat, sneezing means irritation of one's nostrils, suddenly involuntary expulsion of air from the nose and mouth due to irritation of one nostrils. Runny nose, headache, fatigue, body aches, chills and fever. Testing for diagnosis. A physical test performed by a physician is the preferred method to check for pharyngitis. However, your doctor may also perform a throat culture to rule out the possibility of streptococcus. Testing for diagnosis in physical test performed by the physician, and physician prefer the method of pharyngitis. Check the method of pharyngitis in specific culture test, throat culture test preferred by the physician. Second is a swollen neck and lymph nodes is a key clue in pointing out streptococcal pharyngitis. Key clue क्यों कहते हैं? Because lymph nodes and neck are swollen. Our body outing part of swallowing, so called the key clue. Next is a diagnostic measure. First is a history collection. Take a pre-medical history and present medical history. Physical examination, specific throat examination, throat swab, culture test because of found the microorganisms, blood test, CBC, RSAT test, rapid streptococcal antigen test. All are the tests are required to detect the pharyngitis cause. Next is a treatment of pharyngitis. Antibiotics are not recommended because pharyngitis is a virus, and in prescribing antibiotics would only allow for bacteria to grow immune to the treatment. Antiviral medication to treat the viral pharyngitis, and antibiotic medication to treat the bacterial pharyngitis. Drinking warm liquids such as tea, honey and milk often aid in soothing the irritation. More drink liquids, warm water, tea, milk and especially warm water take in pharyngitis. Gargling salt water. Gargling salt water क्या है? It's a most important medication in pharyngitis. कैसे बनाते हैं gargling water? 1.5 tablespoon salt add in warm water, then use this water throat gargling. This water reduce the throat irritation. Over the counter medicine such as acetaminophen. Acetaminophen, it's an analgesic medication to reduce the throat pain. Next is the management of pharyngitis. Symptomatic treatment. Pharyngitis is a symptomatic disease condition. So in pharyngitis, reduce the all our symptoms. That way, treat the pharyngitis, which management include. So C. Symptomatic treatment. In pharyngitis, not required surgery, only required medical treatment or management. See the detailed management. Analgesic, steroid, acetaminophen, antibiotics, antiviral and antifungal drug. Analgesic including acetaminophen and NSAIDs. Acetaminophen is an analgesic to use for reduce the throat pain. NSAIDs non-steroid anti-inflammatory drug. Steroid dexamethasone. Acetaminophen, it's analgesic relief pain. Antibiotic for bacterial infection. Antibiotics for bacterial infection or bacterial pharyngitis. Antiviral medication to treat the viral pharyngitis. Antifungal in imidazole, triazole and thiazole. All are the antifungal medication. It used for fungal pharyngitis. नेक्स्ट इज अ प्रिवेंशन ऑफ pharyngitis. अगर आपको pharyngitis क्या है तो आप प्रिवेंशन कैसे करोगे उसको देखते हैं. अवॉइड कॉन्टैक्ट विथ दोज इन्फेक्टेड थिंग्स और प्लेस. अवॉइड करना है इन्फेक्टेड कॉन्टैक्ट से. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हमको अवॉइडिंग दोज इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन एंड इन्फेक्टेड प्लेस को अवॉइड करना है. वॉशिंग योर हैंड्स फ्रीक्वेंटली इट्स अ मोर कॉमन प्रिवेंशन. अवॉइड एक्सपोजर टू अदर हु हैव अ सॉर थ्रोट. अवॉइड क्राउडेड एरिया ड्यूरिंग कोल्ड एंड फ्लू सीजन. क्यों कोल्ड एंड फ्लू सीजन? बिकॉज ऑफ वर्ल्ड वाइड found the pharyngitis in a cold and flu season. So that reason, avoid crowded area during cold and flu season. Do not smoke because of smoking is very harmful. Smoking causes the respiratory infection. That reason, disappear of respiratory function. So do not smoke. Avoid exposure to secondary smoke. Secondary smoke is a very harmful. Keep vaccination up to date. It's the most important. नेक्स्ट इज अ होम केयर. हमको pharyngitis है तो हम घर पे बैठ के क्या होम केयर करेंगे? ड्रिंकिंग plenty of fluids. Plenty of fluids in fruit juice like apple juice and warm water, soup, gargling water, ये सब हम लेंगे. लेमन टी और टी विथ हनी. फ्लूइड फूड रादर देन सॉलिड. सॉलिड से ज़्यादा हमको फ्लूइड और लिक्विड से ज़्यादा हमको लेना है. गार्गलिंग विथ वार्म सॉल्ट वाटर, ये हमने आपको आगे ही बताया. यूजिंग थ्रोट लॉजेंजेस, यूजिंग ह्यूमिडिफायर एंड प्रॉपर रेस्ट इज अ फर्स्ट प्राइमरी ट्रीटमेंट. प्रॉपर रेस्ट. Acetaminophen if needed to decrease pain. Acetaminophen it's a analgesic medication to reduce the throat pain. Other prevention are avoid sharing food, drinks and eating utensils. Hand washing after coughing or sneezing. Use alcohol-based hand sanitizer because sanitizer kill the microorganism. Avoid smoking. Next is a complication of pharyngitis. Pharyngitis early to early do not treat, so they arise some complication. Which are the complication? Ear infection, sinusitis, abscess near the tonsils, rheumatic fever if strep throat is not treated, glomerulonephritis, specific post streptococcal glomerulonephritis, scarlet fever. In ear infection, mastocytitis, otitis media, all are the disease condition occur. All are the complications are occur. Sinusitis, a condition that occurs when your nasal passage become infected and inflamed. It's a sinusitis complication. Abscess near the tonsils occur tonsillitis. Rheumatic fever if streptococcal bacteria. Rheumatic fever क्या है? B of streptococcal is not treated, so occurs rheumatic fever is an inflammatory disease condition that can develop when strep throat isn't not treated. That reason rheumatic heart fever is developed. Post-streptococcal glomerulonephritis is a kidney disease that develops 10 to 14 days after a skin or throat infection. Scarlet fever is a condition that can develop in people, usually children, who have strep throat. Scarlet fever usually seen in children. All are the complication of pharyngitis. So that's it guys. Hope you enjoy this lecture. Please hit the like and button. Subscribe this channel. Press the bell icon for notification for upcoming videos. We'll back with another videos. Be happy, stay home, stay safe. Thank you for watching video.
Do like, leave a comment, and share with your friends.